हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। मैथ के पिछले वीडियो में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था कम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल, सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल और इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन हमने पढ़ा था। टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल भी पढ़े थे। आज हम लोग एंगल्स का रिलेशन, सम एंगल रिलेशंस, जैसे एडजेसेंट एंगल, एडजेसेंट एंगल। एडजेसेंट एंगल क्या होता है? ओ ए बी सी। अब देखिए, एंगल ए ओ बी एंड एंगल बी ओ सी, दोनों एंगल का कॉमन वर्टेक्स ओ है, देन and one arm also common. OB is common in both angle. That's why angle AOB and angle BOC are called adjacent angle. Adjacent angles are possible only when two angles have common vertex and one arm also there common. After this, you know that's linear pair of angle. Linear pair of angles on a straight line. This is a straight line. Here I make one third one. You see here A, O, B and that is C. On only one side, angle AOC and angle BOC. These two angles are called linear pair of angle or angle on straight line, and these two angles sum is 180. Then linear pair means sum of angle is 180 degree. Again here given one theorem. Prove that the sum of all angle related to linear pair, given that one theorem, and very small theorem, and that is very interesting also. Prove that sum of all the angle formed on the angle formed sum of all angle formed on the same side of a line at a given point is 180 degree. Then I will show here A, B. Here I will take one point C also, and like this one. O, C, and that is D. Then according to this theorem, what is saying? Sum of angle AOC COD plus angle BOD. Sum of all these three angle is 180 degree. Proof you can see, very easy proof. We know that linear pairs, then the ray OC stand on line AB. Then what happened? Angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Now you see, angle BOC is sum of angle BOD and angle COD. In place of this one, we can write here angle AOC plus angle BOD plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Hence proved. Only this one. Hence proved. You see, very easy this one. Okay. What we have done? Here you write linear pair. Linear pair. Then all of you know linear pair angle sum is 180 degree, and if they have common vertex, then AOC plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. Angle AOC plus BOC, you see, BOC is equal to angle BOD plus angle COD. When I put the values, then we can get angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. Hence proof. Second, here given, prove that sum of all angle around a point is 360 degree. Next theorem, prove that sum of angle around a point is 360 degree. Proof same way. Proof. Suppose any one rays I make like this, and here also. A, O, B, C, and that is D. Sum of angle AOC, angle AOD, angle BOD, and angle BOC is equal to 360 degree. We want to prove this one. All of you say here, angle AOC and angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. We know that linear pair are 180 degree. Or sum of angle on same side on a straight line is 180 degree. That's one also you can able to write. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 1. Similarly, angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 2. Sum of equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. We get what we can get there. Angle AOC plus angle BOC plus angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 plus 180 is equal to 360 degree. We know that sum of angle on a straight line on one side is 180 degree, also you can able to write, or sum of angle on one side on a straight line is 180 degree, or linear pair is 180 degree. In this way we can prove sum of angle around a point is 360 degree, hence proved. Hence proved. One more angle I will discuss here, and that is your vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. These two lines A, O, B, C, O, D. You see here, proof of this one, but vertically opposite angle are equal, means angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. This is vertically opposite angle are equal. How we can prove that? Proof of this vertically opposite angle are equal. First I will write angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. How this is possible? All of you thinking, sir, you are right result here. Then how we can prove that? Proof you can see here. Proof. We know that sum of angle on a straight line on one side. We know that first theorem, which one I discussed? We know that sum of angle on a straight line on one side is 180 degree. Then angle AO on straight line, on straight line AOB, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Clear? You see here AOC and angle BOC. Similarly, on line, straight line CD, COD, what we can write there? Angle BOC plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. Suppose this is equation number 1 and that is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, when you say, then you say right hand side of equation 1 and 2 are equal. That's why left hand side also equal. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we get what we can get there. You see here, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to angle BOC plus angle BOD. This is cancelled by this. Angle BOC, both side in left hand side and right hand side. That's why angle BOC cancelled by angle BOC. What is our remain there? Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. You see here, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Already we have proved. Means vertically opposite angle are equal. Similarly, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Hence proved. Then you see very easy proving of these theorems. Vertically prove that vertically opposite angle are equal. Here what is theorem given? Theorem prove that vertically opposite angle are equal. Like this. Then this is simple proof of this question. Example here, just now I am discussing. In the adjoining figure, AOB is a straight line. Find angle AOC and angle BOD. Okay, then all of you see here how we can solve this one. All these angles are same side of a straight line. If same side of a straight line, then that value is 180 degree. We know that sum of angle on a straight line on one side is 180 degree. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. We put the values here. X degree, जब सुन रहे तो तुरंत नहीं कर रहे. X degree plus 65 degree plus 2x minus 20 degree is equal to 180. 65 minus 20, 45. 2x plus x, 3x plus 45 is equal to 180 degree. 3x is equal to 180 minus 45. Then 5. 7 minus 4, 3, 1. 3x is equal to x is equal to 135 by 3. When we cut this one, we get the 45. In this question asking angle AOC and angle BOD. Angle AOC is equal to x degree is equal to 45 degree. Angle BOD is equal to 2x minus 20. 2 into 45 minus 20, 90 minus 20, that is 70 degree. Then in this way we can calculate the values and this is your answer. Okay, then next question, next example I will see in our next video. For today only this ones. Okay.